This is my impression of all 50 state birds in no particular order, part 1. The hermit thrush of Vermont. The mockingbird of Arkansas. The wild turkey and black-capped chickadee of Massachusetts. They have 2 state birds because they're better than everybody else. And the northern cardinal of Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, North Carolina, Ohio, Virginia, and West Virginia. They all get a 0 out of 10 for creativity, but they all get a 10 out of 10 for picking this cutie. Tell me which states to do next. Turdus migratorius. Alright, here are some of my favorite bird calls. The American robin. The goldfinch. The western meadowlark. The common loon. The housefinch. And the American crow.
Do birds ever respond to you? ?
Happy birthday to Happy birthday to Happy birthday dear mom. Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to Happy birthday to Happy birthday dear Ivar. Happy birthday to ¡Bravo, gordo! Toma tu regalo. Happy birthday to Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to Muy bien. And you know I say yau. If you happy and you know I say yau. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, say ow. Ivan, hola. Speak. Uy. We wish a Merry Christmas. We wish.